Welcome, in front of me is a Honor 20 Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, what you want to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example, and once it's open, hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. Let's try that again. You will have this animation, gives you a quick guide, so up to share, down to scroll, and swipe it away to hide it. Now, so swiping it down will make it so it is give us the ability to make it as scrollable. Now here it is unfortunately kind of capped, so it basically scrolls till you touch the screen. And at the moment you touch it, it just kind of stops and saves it, as you can see. So if you want to capture a longer screenshot, just let it kind of run through. But once you're done, all you need to do is simply click home if you decided to go with a scrollable one. If you went with just a normal one, then you don't really need to do anything. It disappears after a moment, and that's about it. And that is one way of capturing a screenshot. There is, I believe, another way. Yep, there we go, with this button right here. So click on it and it does the exact same thing, again giving you the same kind of guide right here. So let's get rid of it now. And once you're done capturing a screenshot, all of them can be found in your photo gallery, so they will be visible in the photos right here, smack in the middle with basically every other photo, or more organized in albums under screenshots folder, which you can see it right over here. This is actually a screen recording, so don't mind that, but yeah, there are the two of them. So that is how you capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.